to open my 6 blind box. Number 1. It's so cute! Look at it! So I will put it on the top. Next is my mom opened it for me. I hit the plastics. So that's why my mom threw it away. There's a heart. I'm so excited. I got all of the colors. But now my favorite is cinnamon and crumb. Oh my god, she has paws. Look. Okay. That's box number 3. I have 6. Oh, we need to fix it. I cannot do it. So that's box number 4. It's so cute. But I will show you. Okay. There's 2 left. Box number 5. What's this? Put this. Ooh, good. Sorry about that. Where is the other wings? I forgot where is the others. Broken! Look! But it's still cute. I will take that as a yes. For cuteness overload. Box number 6. There's... Oh my god, it's so cute! She has a lollipop. Okay, I will put back all it together. And I will show you all in part 2. Bye!